Cricut Design Space Homepage and Canvas Overview. Homepage. The homepage is broken up into 4 parts: the header, banner, My Projects, and Featured Projects. The header has a menu key from where you can update firmware, manage account, and more. The banner highlights special offers, product announcements, tutorials, and maintenance messages. In My Projects, you will find the projects you have created and start new projects by clicking on the new project icon. In Featured Projects, you'll find ready-to-make projects created by professional artists. Canvas. Canvas can be broken down into 6 parts: the header, canvas, design panel, edit and text edit bar, the layers panel, and the color sync. The header indicates that we're on Canvas, the title of the project in center, and the My Projects, Save, and Make It button is on the right. The canvas is where you design and edit projects using images, shapes, artwork, and text. From the design panel, you can start new projects, open ready-to-make projects, add images, text, shapes, and upload your designs. In the edit bar, you can undo or redo an action. You can also edit, align, arrange, flip, size, rotate, and position. The text edit bar presents the option to choose fonts, style, size, spacing, alignment, and advanced. On the right are the layers and color sync panels offering creative freedom. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.